show you how to make a sweet pho stir fry. And here's all the ingredients. You're going to need 1 pack of noodle, bean sprout, green onion, mushroom seasoning, brown sugar, black soy sauce. Here's the seasoning sauce, sweet soy sauce, and eggs. This is the package for the noodle. You can use any kind of noodle. Garlic, oil. You're going to soak the noodle in the cold water for about 15 to 20 minutes, and you can drain it. Boil some water like that. I'm gonna wait until it's boiling. Okay, while it's boiling, you can make some garlic chili. So while the water's boiling, let's make some garlic chili. About garlic. If you like garlic, you can add more. Just like that. Pound it with pesto. About 3/4 cup. In here. So when it's going like that, turn it off. Remove from the heat. When the water is boiled like this, and you're going to put the noodle in here. Make sure you stir that. Okay. Don't soak it too long, it will be too soft. Okay, it's done now. garlic. Here. Just like that. together while you do the sauce. Let's go and do the sauce. Turn the heat. You need 1.5 cup of brown sugar. Make sure you do not do all the way up. 1 cup of brown sugar. 1.5 brown sugar. I add the sauce, 1/3 cup. Make sure you keep in low heat so it will not burn. And then 1/3 cup of sweet sauce. And then black sauce, 1 cup of black sauce. Just like that. Stir until all the sugar are dissolved. Turn on the heat. Let this cool down a little bit. Okay, so let's go and make the eggs. Put some oil. I don't like too much oil, so just put a little bit. Wait till the oil is really hot. So when you put the eggs in, it won't stick together. Okay, so let's put the eggs. Put as much as you like. You're allergic to eggs, you don't have to put any. Put about, I think 1/3 is good enough. Eggs in. And sit there while you can stir it. That, turn once, like this. It's done. Remove it, put it here. It's here. And cut half. That. Cut and just strip like that. Here. Okay, now let's put the sauce. Mix this together like that. Liquid. Back here. Spread. And bean sprout. Just like that. Eggs, and green onion, that. Let it soak about 15 to 20 minutes and it should be very tasty. Make sure you put some on this too, okay? So about 2 tablespoons. That, just let it sit 15 to 20 minutes until they soak all together, and they should be very, very tasty like that. Let's go and try the sweet pho noodle salad. Some eggs. Let's try the noodle. Mmm. Okay, sweet noodle salad for today. That's it, okay? We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.